Hello everybody, so we've been studying how to find average speed for a longer distance that you've traveled than when we used our Hot Wheels cars. So we're going to look at this problem right here together. You ride your bike home from school by way of your friend's house. It takes you 7 minutes or 420 seconds to travel the 2,500 meters to his house. So right here is that part one of your journey, and we're going to fill that in right here. So we'll get read out the time it took. This would be T1. This is the time it took to travel there, 420 seconds. So we're going to write that in the first row of your box. And then he traveled 2,500 meters. That'll be D1 of your journey. So we're going to write that right here in the box. You spend 10 minutes there at your friend's house before you move on, so that makes this part 2 of our journey. He spent 10 minutes there. That makes that T with subscript 2, or 600 seconds. We'll put that right here. And you didn't go anywhere, which means this is a 0. You didn't travel at all. Okay? So before traveling the 3,500 meters to your house in 9 minutes. That makes this part 3 of our journey. In 9 minutes. Here's T3. We're going to add T3 right here into our box. And then here's the time you traveled, or the distance you traveled right here is D3, 3,500 meters. Okay, so now your job now is to actually find the total distance you've traveled. So if you remember right from our notes, the total distance is D1 plus D2 plus D3, which means you're adding up all of these should give you 6,000. And then we're going to add the total time it took. So that'd be T total. That's going to be T1 plus T2. I got too much going here. 3. When I add all those up together, that gives us 1,560. Okay. At this point, what you're going to want to do is find your total speed, which would be 600 divided by 1560. So we'll get out our calculator, maybe. So that'll be 6,000 divided by 1560. It gives you 3.85. So we're going to put that right back here, 3.85. My overachievers can find the exact speed for each time. This one obviously is going to be 0 because you didn't travel any distance at all. So your 2,500 divided by 420, that'll give you a speed at that point of about 6. We'll go about 6. And the last one, 3,500 meters per second, or 3,500 meters divided by 540. That gives you a speed of about 6.5. My little dots aren't staying. When you get these, when you actually add these up and divide by 3, it should be fairly close to the number right here. Okay, hope you took notes because you will be doing this on your own now.